What do you all think? Is tri-tip overrated or underrated? I'm switching things up today. I'm gonna totally freestyle the recipe. Here, now let's go! Starting by toasting some spices. And we're gonna microplane some garlic, turmeric, and ginger. Then just pulverize a bit more and add the molasses. And stir again and rub it in. Both sides. And this should act as a binder. The spices have been going low heat for 5 minutes. Just kill the heat and let them cool. Rosemary salt, if you know, you know. Add to the spices and grind until you've got a nice powder and just rain it down. I'm having a lot of fun. Both sides. Now, lay it onto a wire rack. And we are gonna reverse sear at 250 degrees until it hits 118 internal. Foaming butter, high heat pan, onions, tri-tip back in. Pan back and base. Now rest 5 minutes. Let's check it out. Woo-wee! Pop that on a bed of rapini. Let's taste. Oh my God. Oh! Yep. Ah! I should do this more often. You know I love you when I'm out.